In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a checking account online with Barclays Mobile Banking 2025. We'll walk through the entire process from your browser so you can get set up quickly and confidently. Start by heading to the official Barclays website on either a computer or a mobile browser. For security, make sure you see the padlock icon in your address bar and that you're on the genuine site. If you're searching instead of typing the address directly, choose the official result rather than sponsored ads to avoid lookalike pages. Once you're on the homepage, navigate to the personal banking section. From there, look for current accounts, which is the UK term for a checking account. If you're on a phone, this may be tucked inside the main menu or a hamburger icon, so take a moment to expand the navigation and find current accounts. Next, choose the account type that best suits your needs. You'll typically see options like the standard Barclays bank account, and for eligible customers is a premier current account. Take a moment to read the key features, fees, and any eligibility criteria such as minimum income for premium options. This is also a good time to review benefits like overdraft availability, card features, and digital banking tools so you select the account that matches your day-to-day banking style. When you're ready, select Apply Now or Open Online. The application opens in a secure form. It's helpful to have your identification and basic details nearby before you begin so you can move through smoothly. Now enter your details carefully. You'll be asked for personal information such as your full legal name, date of birth, and contact information, along with your current address and recent address history. Financial information may include your employment status and income. Provide accurate information that matches your documents and double-check spelling and dates before moving forward to avoid delays. You'll then verify your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions, which may ask you to upload photos or scans of your ID. Use a flat, well-lit surface, avoid glare, and capture all four corners of the document clearly. If a selfie or live video is requested, keep your face centered and remove hats or glasses for clarity. You may also be asked a few security questions based on your history. Answer these exactly as previously recorded. After completing identity verification, submit your application. You may receive an instant decision, or Barclays might request additional information. Once approved, you'll receive your new account details and can begin managing your money online and in the mobile app.